What's going on, everybody? How are you guys doing? How's everybody doing? All right, what's going on, everybody? How you guys doing? Welcome to fxpreneur.com. If you're watching this in a replay, go ahead and skip straight to minute number 5. Go ahead and skip to minute number 5, and that's probably where we'll be starting. Also, go ahead and put in your name where you're calling in from. We'll be getting started in the next 5 minutes. So, let me pull up something. As you guys are waiting, I think it's going to be pretty cool, the fact that this coming up weekend, some of us are part of the You Are the Indicator course. People that have purchased the You Are the Indicator course are going to be seeing the almighty Warren Buffett at his annual meeting for Berkshire Hathaway. And I think it's going to be fun. So if you're a part of the group and you still haven't gotten my message that we'll be going to this event, I highly encourage you guys to look into the details. What's really cool is the fact that people that are part of the group, I'll actually pay for your ticket to go. So you're not going to have to pay to get in. The only thing that you have to pay for is how to get there. And I have a hotel, so you don't really have to worry about the hotel. Just have to figure out how to get there. That's it. Omaha, Nebraska. Omaha, Nebraska. Just figure out how to get there. If you can figure out how to get there, I could be able to have 3 people come with me. So you got to be a part of the You Are the Indicator course to be able to come. All right. I got to figure out edit. So we'll be getting started anytime soon. And yeah, this should be pretty fun. Should be pretty fun. Okay, boom, boom. All right. This is what I needed. All right, so let me go ahead and pull up the charts now. Comment. Yo, if it wasn't for sticky notes, I don't know where I'd be in life. Like, I live off sticky notes. All right. So we'll be getting started right now. Again, go ahead and put in your name where you're calling in from, especially if you're brand new. You know, I'd like to maybe get to know you a bit. And if anything, we'll get started right now. So let's see who we have on here. We have Zachary from Miami. Shaquila, hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly, from Tampa. We have Jose from Miami as well. Gregory from Lakeland, Florida. We have Tony from Bangkok. HG, Greg from New York. And we have Mr. Haynes from Orlando. Good stuff. Good stuff. Who else do we have on here right now? And shouts out to everybody that's been getting started with the course recently. We had Gregory from New York getting started with the course today. We had my boy David. You guys don't know David. I've known David for years, man. David from Miami getting started with the course. We have Abdul from California getting started with the course today. And as far as yesterday, we had Joselle and Ingrid getting started with the course from Miami. We had Mark from Canada. We had Salome. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly. From Canada. And we had Sean from California getting started yesterday. So we had 4 people getting started yesterday, 3 people today, and the day before that, we had 4 people getting started as well. We had Lisa from Perth, Australia. We had Christian from Tennessee. We had Reggie from Arkansas, and we had Zahira from Bahamas. Hopefully I'm pronouncing everybody's name correctly. If not, you can yell at me later on. All right. But if anything, let's go ahead and actually get started. I'm really excited for the people that are going to be coming to the Berkshire Hathaway event. Again, you have to be a part of the You Are the Indicator course to be able to actually come. I'll be paying for 3 people to be able to come. And as far as the hotel stay, if anything, I'll throw that in for 1 room. All right. It's a 1 2 king size bed room. Literally walking distance from the event, which is beautiful. You just got to figure out how to get there. All right. That's about it. It's just 1 day. This Friday, I'll be getting there, Friday afternoon, and the event is Saturday morning and afternoon. And I'll be flying out literally right after the event is done, heading in an Uber, and I'm leaving. So I'm just going to be going there for 1 day, but I know for sure it's going to be worth it to see Warren Buffett at his best. So just wanted to add that in. So I greatly appreciate your time for everybody that's actually logging in right now. How you guys doing? My name is Philip Anglade, and welcome to fxpronow.com, where our goal is to be able to help you make an extra $1,000 a month trading Forex online at home with your families. What we're going to be doing today is what we do every single Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is called This Week in the Markets. When it comes to This Week in the Markets, what we do is we break down a couple pairs to see if there's anything available. And what we're going to be doing is getting started with EURUSD. So let's go ahead and get started with EURUSD right now. All right, 1 moment as I pull this to this side. I apologize. All right, EURUSD, let's get it. All right, here we go. So this did just about what I was saying from yesterday. This was just like a dramatic version of it. Okay. Here, let's go ahead and do this video thingy. As you can see, there's not as many tabs open, so it's going a little faster, which is beautiful. All right. What's going on, everybody? How are you guys doing? Welcome to fxpronow.com, where our goal is to be able to help you to make an extra $1,000 a month trading Forex online at home with your families. What we're looking at right now is EURUSD. When it comes to EURUSD, we see point A, point B, point C. We saw yesterday that it got to 50%, which is not bad, but it got to 61.8, no problem. This right here, where I said it would push up, push down, push up, and then break, we're looking for the bearish engulfing pattern. This is just a dramatic version of what I needed to happen inside of here based upon the M30 time frame. So as you can see, we had price push up to this point right here. We had a very dramatic bearish candle. This is the retrace. We're going to be looking for the retrace inside of here, the bearish candle to form, and then we're looking for the continuation to the downside. You have no idea what the heck I just said, but you like it. If anything, I would highly suggest go to fxpronow.com. We actually have a 1-hour course that you can get access to, and a free course that you can be able to get access to. And I know for sure it's going to be able to help you out tremendously. fxpronow.com. fxpronow.com is where you can be able to find the information, and we're going from there. So we had a very dramatic push to the downside. Beautiful. I need for this to pull up a little bit more. If anything, get back to around the 61.8. So anywhere between, if anything, I'll probably trigger my order at this point right here. Probably even enter in soon. I would not want to just miss this. Either way, I was looking for a continuation to the downside. So to miss, let's say if I entered in now, be 10 pips to this point, 26 pips to this point. Me, I hate missing out on trades just to make an extra 10 pips, 20 pips. I'm uninterested. I know where this is going. It got 61.8 on the H4 time frame. I'm looking for the continuation to 1.10, I think it's like 5 or something like that. So if anything, if I were you, I'd probably wait because I know a lot of people, they get scared when they're in drawdown. Don't get scared of drawdown. Get scared when there's a broken structure. If you don't know what broken structure is, I would highly suggest go to fxpronow.com, check out our 1 hour free Forex training that you can get access to. I'll break down broken structure for you entirely. All right. So yeah, this is a very nice push. Very nice. What can I say except you're welcome? Yeah, most likely it's going to push up a little bit more. If anything, you can wait. So about 1.123 probably. It's probably good area. I'm already in the trade, but I got in all the way at the top, if I'm not mistaken. I got in from earlier. Yeah, I got in at 1.2. Oh crap. 1.12. Yeah, 1.121 is when I got in, which is beautiful. Gold is moving nice though. If anything wrong, we'll look at gold. All right. So I'm looking for price to push up a little higher. Come back to this area right here. So if anything, let me go ahead and just put that so I don't forget. No. 3. And we're going to 110.5. Okay. So what am I looking for? Well, point A, point B, point C, 61.8. From that 61.8, crazy. From that 61.8, we're looking for price to continue to the downside. Let's look on the daily time frame how this is forming. If anything, I'll place it here. 50% to the T. This may push up higher. Exactly. Okay, so 1.124, what's that? 24, exactly here. I wouldn't be surprised if this engulfs this, or probably gets to that point right here, and then continues. Yeah, this should be interesting. See, when it comes to limit orders and stuff like that, I don't really like them, especially if you're new in this game and you don't really know what the hell I'm talking about. If you knew what I was talking about, I'd be comfortable giving out, limit orders and stuff like that. But I know 95% of the people that are on here, you think I'm speaking Chinese already. So if I, say a limit order and stuff like that, you won't know why. And even if, you put in the limit order and then you get in, you enter and it's the right trade, but then what happens is you go ahead and it continues to push up higher, but it's still the right trade. Like for example, as far as the 50% right here, we entered in right here, but it pushed up all the way up here. There's people that would get scared as hell the fact that you're in a 40 pip drawdown and you're like, oh no, I got into the wrong trade. No, you didn't. It's the right trade. So when I speak to you guys, it's like I got to speak in a certain way where I say certain things, but at the same time, I got to hold myself back, because I don't want people to get into, in a bad circumstance, even though you're right, you're in the right trade. So there's a possibility that could be able to go to back to 1.124. I'm not going to break down why again, but there's a possibility it may come back over here. But essentially, I'm looking for the continuation to this area down here, which is about, I'm just going to put it at 110.7 as opposed to what I had from before. 110.7. 110.7. What can I see? Oh, that's exactly what I had. On point. All right, let's do this one. 110.7. Wow. All right, so that's that. EU, beautiful. So if you liked anything I said just now, if you found any type of value, amazing. Hop on to fxpronow.com. We actually have a 1 hour free Forex training that you can get access to. It's literally like the baby or like the child of my full-blown You Are the Indicator course that you can be able to get access to, which is over 10 hours of content, growing on a weekly or monthly basis, and it's helping out a bunch of people. So if you have any other questions, if anything, you can also go to fxpronow.com, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page, and you're going to be able to see an area where you can be able to actually write me a message and ask me any question that you'd like. So if you have any questions, hit me up from there. If not, see you in the next video. Peace. I gotta do this again. So any point in time that you guys have any questions, you can put it in this comment section right here. Sporadically, I look at it. I don't look at it all the time. It'd be cool if it's on my screen, but it's not. So let's just do UJ. All right, what is this doing? Continuous push. Freaking A, bro. Oh man, and it broke. Okay, cool. So let's see. Let's see what's going on here. Deeper retracement. This thing did say it was gonna act wild. All right, what's going on, everybody? How are you guys doing? Welcome to fxpronow.com, where our goal is to be able to help you make an extra $1,000 a month trading Forex online at home with your families. What we're looking at is UJ right now. When it comes to UJ, point A, point B, somewhere in this area. Point C, we see the fact that price had a very nice deep retracement, and I guess the buyers are ready. Let's look in the lower time frame, see what's going on over there. Yeah, continuation. The fact that this is still pushing, I'd like to see a candle close on top of here. Once it does, I'm looking for a strong push. Let's see, boom. Price got to about 38.2, but you know, somewhat 50%. Let's look on a 1 hour time frame. 38.2. All right. All right. All right. I don't know, man. Like, this looks pretty interesting. Okay, let's see. Let's see. All right. I don't know. So this has just been like weird. When does this candle close? In 40 minutes, this candle will close. Right here. If this candle closes above this area right here, looks good to me for the continuation. Let me see. Let's look at something real quick. Oh, back. That got 38.2. So, and this is based on the 1 hour time frame. All right. This one did, but this wasn't 38.2. It literally just got 38.2, and it still went there, but it continued. Okay, we got to back up. We got to back up. What's going on here? What's happening? What is happening? Okay, so based upon last week, we had a bearish candle form and engulfed this area right here. Bearish, bearish, and then dropped. So very much bullish, just like here, very much bullish. We had a bearish engulfing. Pushed up, boom. Pushed up, boom. Huh. Maybe this is the highest that it's supposed to go. Yesterday, after I got off the session with you guys, I spoke to the people in our course, in the Euro Indicator course, and I was like, hey, what if this is actually what if this is done? What if this is done? This is the retest on that thing. Look at this. I don't know. We had a full bullish candle close on top. This is a bullish candle. This is a 2-day candle. I don't know how many days we have left on that. First, I think this just closed yesterday. No, this closes today. I don't know. It's pretty interesting to me. Let's see. Set. Let's see. Let's see. Boom. Boom. It's 61.8. Very long. Very long. Yeah, man. I want this to continue. Nah, I want this to continue. What I'm saying is, I favor this continuing, but I don't know what's going on here. Because the way that it's moving is just strange. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, where it did not want to continue. And then we have this sliding down, where we have buyer's exhaustion, seller's exhaustion, seller's exhaustion. And I wonder how this candle is going to close. This held this area right here. What is this area? This one is 12-hour candle. What's going on, bro? Cool. You know what? $61.8 held. Yeah, I think this is good. Yeah, 61.8, and it popped. It popped last time too. How did this close for those two candles right there? Two candles prior to the last three candles. So boom, pushed, This was engulfing. Okay, this would be 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Boom. 78.6. Took out all of those. Happened here too. And then boom. But this actually closed bullish. I want to see how this is going to close on top of here. Beautiful card down here. Look at this as well. I think a lot of people are wondering, okay, is it going to go on top of here? Okay, 1 hour. Yeah, still 3 minutes on this. All right, so if anything, just if you're not already in this trade, just wait until you see a 30-minute candle close on top of this area right here. A full 30-minute candle close on top of 11.6. If that's the case, then I think you should feel a little bit more confident, but we'll see. So no real hard anything on this as of yet. I still want to wait, but it's looking good. That bullish candle is cool, but it could be news. You know. All right, really appreciate your time, guys. If anything, go to fxpronet.com. We actually have a free 1-hour Forex training that you can really get access to. A lot of people are calling it, calling that 1 hour more valuable than months and other Forex courses. And you can check it out in the actual video itself. So if you have any questions, you can be able to contact me directly on fxpronet.com and scroll all the way to the bottom. You can find. All right, really appreciate your time. Peace. I think I did it again. All right, let's look at GJ. Dang it. Let's see, GJ. This continued. Got to freaking take profit. This is beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, continuation. Definitely continuation. I was thinking like, man, is it gonna stop? Nope. Did not stop. Did not stop. Kept going. All right. All right, what's going on, everybody? How are you guys doing? Welcome to fxpronet.com, where our goal is to be able to help you to be able to make an extra $1,000 a month trading Forex online at home with your families. What we're looking at right now is GJ about to close on top of the last highs in the next 30 seconds, which is beautiful. If you guys entered when we mentioned this a little while ago, I was like, hey, bullish on GJ. And we caught it all the way at the bottom, which is extremely beautiful. So who's still in this trade? I want to know who's still in this trade. Go ahead and let me know who's still in this trade that we called a little while ago. We have some people that entered in at 144 flat, which is beautiful. So you should be up right now 170 pips that we called, man. Giving out money over here. Beautiful. Giving out moolah, man. I don't think it's going to stop 61.8. I wouldn't be surprised. I think we're going to keep on going. I think we're going to keep on going, which is insane. Absolutely insane. Probably another 60 pips. Who caught this? Here's. Oh man. Yeah. So go ahead and what we're looking for is for price to do something. But what I am looking for is for price to get to this area right here. Honestly, the reason why I'm kind of like is because this is in the area of consolidation on a higher time frame, and there's no real flow to the markets. The buyers are still available, but we're getting trapped in this region right here based on the higher time frame, and there's no real definite saying, hey, you know, this is where price is going to go. So I'd love to be able to give you a take profit. I don't even know one for myself, but all we see are bullish candles right here. Straight bullish candles on the daily, which is nice. But I do know at some point in time when we get to this point right here, 146.7, there's going to be some issues, 100%, right? But the second area where I'm looking for price to get to is this 147.5 area. If price continues to be bullish, just get to this 149 area, and then I think that's about it. I don't think it's going to go any higher than that. What I'm really looking for is a continuation to the downside, and I think it's going to be a lot of fun because there's not going to be any mix-ups. It's going to be, this is where price is going. It's not going to be any type of confusion, which is going to be beautiful. So hope you guys are ready for this massive push, because I certainly am. I'm looking for my account to probably quadruple just from this move alone. Yep, closed. Yep, I'm looking for the continuation now. The fact that it's still bulls, looking for the continuation. So that's my little spiel on GJ. Nothing crazy. I am looking for the continuation of the upwards movement. With that being the case, I wouldn't be surprised UJ is going to be doing the same. All right. So if you have any questions, what I would highly suggest is go to fxpreneur.com, and we actually have a free 1-hour Forex training that you can get access to. And also on there, you can be able to ask me a question if you scroll all the way to the bottom and click on looking for another reentry. Yeah. The only thing on GJ was like to stay in. So someone caught 90 pips, someone caught 80 pips. Good stuff, guys. Both of these guys are in the course. Well done. So if you have any questions, again, go to fxpreneur.com, scroll all the way to the bottom. You can be able to ask me whatever question you like, and I'll get back to you pretty soon. All right. Really appreciate your time. Check out that 1-hour Forex training. I'm pretty sure it's going to help you out. Peace. I know probably you guys are wondering, why is he saying the same thing over and over? Well, these are separate videos on each one. That's why. And I put them up on my TradingView. Some people look at, only one. Some people look at all of them. Gold. Let's look at gold. A whole slap of tire just hit me just now. Beautiful. Who caught gold? We called this. We called this yesterday. I'm up 60 pips. 60? Yeah, 60 pips. All right, let's do this one. Who caught gold? Here it is. What's going on, everybody? How are you guys doing? Welcome to fxpreneur.com, where our goal is to be able to help you make an extra $1,000 a month trading Forex online at home with your families. What we're looking at right now is gold. Last night we called the fact that it will continue to the downside, and what I'm looking for is price to get to at least 1263, but my actual take profit for the long term is, well, I didn't put it in yet. I got to find out as we're talking. So, how do we come up with this? Michael, did you get in? What we see is a continuation to the downside. Mind you, we called this down push here. We called this here at 1300 flat. Right now it's at 27, 1240, 1274. That being the case, if we stayed in this from the beginning, we'd be up 250 pips, right? Where's that more? 250 pips. And we would have definitely re-entered if we stayed in on the whole push. Did I stay in on the whole push? No, I did not stay in. You got it, Michael? Great, man. Great. I love it. Hopefully you guys are withdrawing your money. Very important. What we teach in the course is how to withdraw your money in a specific amount to do so, and then what to do with that money after that. That's where I think I'm a little different from other Forex guys. I don't teach you just how to make the money. I teach you like what to do with it. Because nobody's ever really taught me, look, this is what you do. And the specific amount and all this other stuff. I've had to get it from many, many, many different sources. So many different sources, and just put it together. This is beautiful, man. Look at this. All right. So I'm looking for price to get to this area right here. I know you're probably wondering, like, how the heck? Why did I do that? Well, I don't know. I could be mistaken. But just looking at this, we have this area right here, this area right here, and I'm looking for price to get an confluence with this area right here. I could be wrong. I could be completely wrong. You know, there are times that I'm wrong, which is okay. But at the least, definitely getting to 1263, probably 1245. Ooh, look, it lines up with this area right here. Let me see. Let me see something. Is this went like nowhere? How did it find that? This maybe. How did this stop? That lined up with this. So this lines up with 61.8 completely. All right. I'm just throwing out a dart. This is gonna go down. I know that. But I'm gonna look for this to go here. Okay. As you can see, it lines up with 61.8 pretty nicely. Right there. Lines up with 61.8. So if anything, I'll just go ahead and close out my trade at 1250. I may be the man, but God made me. So he's the man. I'm just doing my, you know, I'm just going. I'm just, you know, I don't know how to explain it. All right. Boom. As you can see, it lines up with this area as well. So I'm just gonna close on my trade at 1250. That should be another 250 pips. Beautiful. Anything I may re-up on this one. It's looking pretty sweet. Looking pretty sweet. And just know if gold goes down, US 30 goes up. Gold goes down, all stocks on the top 500 go up. Not all, but a lot of them do. So this is looking sweet. Looking very, very sweet. Looking very, very sweet. 1250. Looking very, very sweet. All right, cool. I think we're good, man. So, if you liked anything about, you know, what we got going on here, and also the fact that, like, look, the people that are writing in my thing right now, a lot of them are in the course, right? Some of them are new, some of them have been in there for a while. So Jose, I want you to write how much are you up right now, right? Because he's in our course. So Michael, he's in on this gold trade right now. How much are you up on this gold trade right now? As far as Greg, he just got started yesterday. He's up 50 pips on, if I'm not mistaken, on gold. As far as Greg, what's cool is Greg, he just caught 80 pips. I forget exactly on what pair, probably on GJ or something like that. He's also in the course. Zachary is in the course as well. He caught 90 pips off of GJ as well. And I didn't ask anybody else how much they're up. So if anybody else is up, let me know. As the reason why I'm saying this is because obviously the stuff that's being put out there is working. So if it's been working so consistently for a period of time, you know, you would expect it to work over time in the future. So with that being the case, if you want to be able to learn how I'm actually doing this, I actually have a free one. It's actually longer than 1 hour. it's longer than 1 hour. I just say 1 hour because it sounds nice. So it's longer than 1 hour. Forex training that you can really get access to. Helping out a bunch of people. There's actually people that say this Forex training has been has brought more value in that 1 hour than months in other Forex courses. And if anything, I would like for you to evaluate that as well. We also share the vision of what we're doing for the future, and if anything, I think it'll, you know, serve you well. So if you have any questions, you can either contact me on fxpronow.com. If you want to check out that webinar, go to fxpronow.com as well. And on there, you'll be able to actually see the button to be able to register. And once you actually register, what's cool is they're going to go ahead and send you a, I'm going to send you a welcome email. And in that welcome email, you're going to receive our free group chat, a free Facebook group, and our free YouTube channel that you can really get access to every single Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We go on live to see if there's anything available in the markets. I'm pretty sure it could be able to help you out. We're so up right now. Oh my God, I just looked at my account. Oh, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna help you out. So I greatly appreciate your time. Hit me up on fxpronow.com. Let's get it. Peace. All right. So for the peeps that are still with me, I greatly appreciate your time as far as getting on here. But I do request something before we hop off, okay? So just one moment. Hopefully you guys are in my FX Pro Now group group chat. If not, I mean like in our Facebook group. If not, go ahead and get in there real quick. He said, I'm up a lot on gold. I'm up a lot. That's too funny, man. I love that word, a lot. So let's go to the Facebook page, actually. Make sure that you're in our Facebook page. The Facebook page is vital, okay? The way you can be able to find the Facebook page, just type in FX Pro Now, and you can be able to find the page. Comment here what you earned. All right, so I just put in the Facebook page, in the FX Pro Now Facebook page, this is what it looks like. All right, so go to the Facebook, I gave you some type of value. You know, I'd like some type of value in return, please. So this is what we're going to do. Right? So we're going to go to the Facebook page, specifically the Facebook page, right? And with the Facebook page, what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down, right? And you're going to see this right here. Don't comment here. Commenting here is not going to do anything. What I need you to do is click on the actual video. Don't click here, or else you owe me some money. All right, do not click here. All right. If you want to watch the webinar, go to fxpartner.com. If you know somebody else that wants to watch the webinar, have them go to fxpartner.com. All right. But what I want you guys to do is comment what you learned on this video. So you're going to click on the actual video. It's going to pull it up, right? And I want you to go ahead and just like it or love it. I actually would rather you love it, right? And then after you love it, I want you to click on the comment button, right? And write a comment of what you learned. Okay? What you learned, or something along the lines of comment what you learned. You can comment, you know, how I've brought some type of value. You can comment how many pips you're up right now. You can comment how much money I've helped you earn. Something. You can comment whatever it is that you want. All I'm requesting is a comment. Just comment something. Comment what you learned. Comment something. If you're wondering how do you get to this, right? If anything, let me see if I can be able to send you guys this. Here, let me see something. But yeah, go ahead and comment something. And it pops up right here, so I'm gonna know who's commenting. And there's mad people on here, so I should receive some type of comment. Help me, please. Help me, please. Help me, please. What can I say except you're welcome? All right. Help me, please. Let's see what pops up when I send this. I wish I could be able to just put the link in the Facebook, but it just acts strange when I do that. So let me see if I send this. If I'm able to send this, it's a wrap. So if I send this in here, what does it show up on your side? Go ahead and click on that link that I just sent somebody and let me know if that even does anything. Yeah, go ahead and write the comment. I'm excited for the first person to write something so that I can be able to shout you out and read your comment. Let me know what you learned. Let me know something. How much you're up. You don't want to say anything, just share the share the video to somebody or something. Whatever it is. I just want some type of something on here. And thank you for everybody that's gone ahead and actually shared this video. Like I like super appreciate that. You don't even need to do that, but you know you're doing it, and I appreciate it. So we got Gio, my homie Gio. We got D. Jones. We have Kim, Michael, my homie Quinn, Jessica, Zachary, my boy T. How about I say T Pendo? My boy Tedron. Thank you very much, Zachary, for going ahead and commenting. Up over 90 pips this week. Thanks to this course. I appreciate you. Thank you very much, Joseph, Brennan, and Presley. So any other comments? Who else wants to say something? When you click on that link that I sent in this group here, what does it do? What does that link do that I just put in this chat? Somebody tell me, please. Hello. I'm waiting for these comments. Hello. Because 100%, you guys are up in pips. So I give you pips, you give me comments. I give you pips, you give me comments. Thank you very much, Tony. All right, so I've learned more in this video than I did in the last 10 videos that I've watched from, okay, you see how I read? I read like a freaking weirdo. I've learned more from this video than I did the last 10 videos I've seen from others. Phil has a talent for trading, obviously, but he's a great talent for teaching. I appreciate that. I really recommend watching this video, and I will start the course soon. Beautiful. I'm a heart that. I'm a heart that, brother. I appreciate your comment. I appreciate it, brother. Excited to welcome you to the group. Always gotta, my homie Zachary always showing love. Always showing love, and I appreciate your help. Let's get it. All right, anybody else writing something? I want to know, like, is it from the way it takes straight to the page? What do you mean? Yeah, Amy does read better than me, man. I thank God, because I don't want to have to read anymore, so she can do it for me. She can do it for me. It takes you straight to the page. So Greg, it takes you straight to this page that we're on right now. Because if it does, beautiful. So it sends you to the right, to the correct page. It sends you to this page that I'm looking at right now. Is that what you're saying? Thank you. I appreciate it, brother. Oh, okay, B. So we're going to take this. So I'm always going to send this out then. This is what we need. Perfect. So I don't have to keep on sending this out. Okay, perfect. Thank the Lord. Hey, we only got 2 comments. What's good? I want some more comments. Thank you very much, Quinn. I'm dead serious about these comments. I'm not playing. Thank you very much, Quinn. So the patience that is taught. See, look at me. The patience that is taught here to trust the analysis taught by Philip is one of a kind. I'm up over 90 pips in GJ. One of our one of our favorite pairs. Beautiful, beautiful, man. Beautiful. Beautiful. That's how you spell beautiful? Beautiful. No? Oh. All right. What can I say except you're welcome? Add online. Comment. All right. Thank you, Philip. This is a game changer for me. Best investment I ever made. Good stuff. Probably the best investment you ever made was getting the ring for your wife. I'm probably second. All right. Oh man. All right. All right. So if you guys would like to, leave those comments, I appreciate it. I just want to confirm one more time. This link that I just sent in this chat goes directly to this ad. I'm going to put it in there one more time so I don't have to constantly change it over time. What can I say except you're welcome? All right, so this link, I'm just confirming real quick. That link right there sends all of you guys directly to this page that we're at right now. I just need to confirm real quick, please. That is freaking beast. Because I was like, man, I got to keep on doing this thing over and over. All right. So I really appreciate Michael for leaving a comment. We have Quinn for leaving a comment. We have Tony for leaving a comment. We have Zachary leaving a comment. Jessica, homie Nigel. I'm really excited for him to get started with us. Sanquisha and Naive for leaving a comment as well. And everybody that's gone ahead and shared, and everybody that's gone ahead and liked the videos as well. I appreciate all you guys. See if there's another one. I guess there's something else. So yeah, I appreciate everybody for going ahead and doing that. And we'll go from there. So if anything, we'll be back on this Monday, this coming up Monday. And when it comes to this Monday, I would not be surprised. I'm going to be a completely different man after seeing Warren Buffett in person, live in the flesh. And I think it would be pretty fun. Because now really think, okay, so we got Sanquisha, I'm going to read your comment. Really think, remember what my vision is, phase 3. My vision is, so this is literally what it is. I'm helping to build a community of proficient traders, right? Not like so-so. I'm talking about like strong traders. Like these guys make, you know, a lot. Like what Michael said, a lot. And with that, we come together and we build stuff. So really think about Warren Buffett. He started to buy stocks when he was like 10, and over time he just kept on building and building his account and buying into companies. And then he bought a company, which was a textile company called Berkshire Hathaway. Right? What a name! And from there, he kept on buying into companies, buying into companies. Do I know his entire story? I should tell you the truth, but I don't know his entire story word for word. But now he's built a huge company where people are coming to him to buy their companies out, and I think that is remarkable. And really think about the fact that I'm creating people to be able to get to the point where they can be able to do whatever it is that they want, but we come together and we build something massive together where we're able to actually own thousands of units of properties, own hundreds of companies, own thousands of acres of land, and really make something big happen. And then from there, phase number 4, where we're able to together give back to the community and to the world by helping people learn how to make money, but also make change for their countries. And who am I? Who am I to do something like that? You know, all I know is the fact that you just, all I know is the fact that you just have to have an idea, a dream, a goal. And even if it sounds stupid as hell, even if you don't even know how to do it, it does not matter. All you have to do on a daily basis is consistently look at that goal and just keep on working towards that goal. I live by this quote, and it's not something I read to myself on a daily basis. It's just, this is what's in me. This is what I know. Every 1,000-mile journey starts with one step. But it doesn't just start with one step. You got to take the step, and then you got to keep on stepping and stepping and stepping. And it may take a while. It may be faster than you thought. You may have an idea right now, but the idea that you have is not even close to the idea that could be. You know, all that really matters is a burning desire and faith. Put together, it's a wrap. That's all you need, man. And there's so much more I could be able to say, but I don't want to go in. Let's read Sanquisha's. Hopefully I'm pronouncing it correctly. I want to pronounce it the best. comment. So this course is awesome. It has cleared up so much confusion. I had little knowledge of Forex, but I recognized that trading was a monster of an opportunity. And this course, thank you very much, Samuel, for commenting. And this course offers vital information to trade and be successful at it. I appreciate your comment, Sanquisha, and I'm excited for you to grow on a consistent basis. Oh, thank God for spell check. That is Think and Grow Rich. See, that's what I was looking for. That's exactly what I was looking for. I was like, okay, who's gonna catch this? Who's gonna catch the fact that this is directly from Think and Grow Rich? Directly, straight out of the book. Copy and paste. Listen, man, hold on. Before I get to Samuel's comment, I'm about to, go a little further. Listen, this is one thing I know. If a man spent 40 freaking years of his life documenting other people on how they became successful, literally he spent his entire life figuring out how other people became successful, his life was to build this freaking book of success laws. And then from there, break it down to Think and Grow Rich. And then from there, give it to us for $7. For $7 freaking dollars, bro. And we're talking about the best of the best. Henry Ford, Benjamin Franklin. The list goes on and on and on and on and on. Of the millionaires and billionaires that built what we have today. And all we got to do is just read it. And just believe it. But here, it's not just believe it. It's believe that you can do it. Not just believe that it can happen. That's cool. But believe that you can do it. And what's it? Whatever it is that you want. Whatever it is that you want. So, homework. This is how I treat the people that are actually in our course. Thursdays, this is how it is. Exactly what you're looking at right now. This is how Thursday is, but you can be able to speak to me. And we kind of go in. So like I do for our Thursday, people that are part of our course, homework. What's your homework? Buy the damn book. This is exactly how I speak to them too. And I use other words, but I have to get permission in the beginning. Buy the freaking book. Think and Grow Rich right now. Don't wait. Like, what are you waiting for? It's $7. I have literally a trunk full of Think and Grow Rich in my car. I'm supposed to be passing these out, but so I literally have a trunk full of Think and Grow Rich in my car. Buy the freaking book and read it, man. If you don't like to read, cool. Get Audible right now. $7 a month or something like that. $8 a month. Something like that. And just read the freaking thing, man. And believe it. Believe that you can do it too. All right. So the course is the best. I'm currently in demo trading. The analysis has been on point. I made 80 pips on GJ, and I've been happy, and my confidence level has increased. Thank you, Phil. I'm so excited for you, brother. And I am so excited for you, brother. And I am excited to finally reach the people of Nigeria. I've always wanted to help people out there. Always, always, always wanted to help people out there. And now why? Because let me tell you something. I don't know what it is, but I have this fixation of Africa. I don't even know why, but I have this fixation that I want to do something big over there. Not because of anything that I've heard on TV and at all. There's over 100 million people in Nigeria alone. And based upon this friend that I used to have, I met his mom, I met his father. And I'm like, man, these are some intense people. One of them is one of the best lawyers in Fort Lauderdale, like in this area. Literally everybody knows this woman. And the father is a surgeon in the ER. And their children are just like immaculate people. Like they're really, really good. And it just made me think like, man, I don't know if it's all Nigerians or it's just his family, but I could see the fact that they're very, strong people, and I like that. So I know for sure they get to know how to trade Forex and really be able to actually do it in a big way. I think Logos is right now. Right now they're being helped by China, and being the fact that they're being helped by China, and I love the fact that they're God fearing. A lot of them, they're all in. I like that. But I don't know what it is, but we'll see. Peace. I'm gonna stop talking.